Ever wondered what's happening inside your car engine in just milliseconds? This is a modern internal combustion engine. Air enters the cylinder. Fuel mixes with it. A spark ignites the mixture. The piston moves down, turning the crankshaft. Valves open and close with perfect timing. Oil keeps everything smooth. Cooling systems stop it from overheating. At highway speed, this process repeats over 3,000 times per minute in every cylinder. Engineering isn't magic. It's science at full speed. Follow for more mind-blowing tech.